Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 20 plus phrasal verbs related to communication. Call up. To phone someone. Did you call up your friend yesterday? Yes, I called him up in the evening. Pick up. To answer a phone call. Did he pick up the phone? Yes, he picked up after a few rings. Hang up. To end a phone call. Why did you hang up so quickly? I hung up because I was in a hurry. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Can you hold on a minute? Sure, I'll hold on. Break up. To have a poor connection on the phone. Is my voice breaking up? Yes, I can't hear you properly. Call back. To return a phone call. Can you call me back later? Yes, I'll call you back after lunch. Get through. To successfully make contact with someone by phone. Did you get through to the customer service? Yes, I got through after a few tries. Speak up. To talk louder. Can you speak up? I can't hear you. Yes, I'll speak up. Cut off. To interrupt or disconnect a phone call or conversation. Why did the call get cut off? The call got cut off because of a bad signal. I'm going to cut you off because my battery is dying. Put through. To connect someone by phone. Can you put me through to the manager? Sure, I'll put you through now. Get back to. To contact someone later. When will you get back to me? I'll get back to you by tomorrow. Bring up. To start discussing a topic. Who brought up the new project? The manager brought it up in the meeting. Talk over. To discuss something. Did you talk over the plan with your team? Yes, we talked it over yesterday. Run by. To explain or discuss something with someone. Can you run the details by me again? Sure, I'll run them by you now. Turn down. To refuse or reject something. Did he turn down the offer? Yes, he turned it down. Fill in. To give someone necessary information. Can you fill me in on what happened? Yes, I'll fill you in on all the details. Clear up. To clarify or explain something. Did you clear up the misunderstanding? Yes, we cleared it up during the call. Get across. To successfully communicate an idea. Did you get your point across? Yes, I think I got my point across. Chat up. To talk to someone in a friendly way to attract them. Did you chat up the new colleague? Yes, I chatted her up at the party. Talk down to. To speak to someone in a condescending manner. Does she always talk down to her employees? Unfortunately, yes, she does. Open up. To start to talk more about yourself and your feelings. Did he open up about his problems? Yes, he finally opened up to me. Wrap up. To finish or conclude something. Can we wrap up the meeting now? Yes, let's wrap it up. Point out. To indicate or mention something. Did you point out the mistake? Yes, I pointed it out during the meeting. Talk over. To discuss a problem or issue thoroughly. Did you talk over the problem with her? Yes, we talked it over last night. Talk back. To reply rudely. Does he often talk back to his parents? No, he rarely talks back to them.